Welcome to our channel, the Elechomes BFP 28 mount, a multifunctional kitchen appliance that's perfect for busy parents. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the features of this amazing appliance. First up, let's talk about the functions of the Elechomes BFP 28 mount. This versatile appliance can steam, sterilize, blend, chop, defrost, juice, and reheat your baby's food, all in one easy-to-use unit. This means you can prepare healthy and nutritious meals for your little one with ease. Capacity is another important feature of the Elechomes BFP 28 mount. With a capacity of 200 to 300 milliliters. You can prepare enough food for one meal or several meals in advance. In terms of power, the Elechomes BFP 28 mount features a powerful 300-watt motor that ensures quick and efficient food preparation. And the best part, it's BPA-free, so you can be sure that your baby's food is safe and healthy. Cleaning up after mealtime is quick and easy with the Elechomes BFP 28 mount. All the parts are dishwasher safe, making it easy to keep this appliance clean and ready for the next use. And to give you peace of mind, the Elechomes BFP 28 mount comes with a 12-month warranty. You can be sure that this appliance will last for many meals to come. There are some pros and cons of Elechomes BFP 28 mount. Pros. Number 1. The Elechomes BFP 28 mount blender comes with multiple attachments, allowing you to perform a variety of tasks in the kitchen, such as blending, grinding, and whisking. Number 2. The blender can handle tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruit because it has a 300-watt motor. Number 3. The detachable parts are dishwasher safe, and the pitcher is made of BPA-free Triton material, which is easy to clean. Number 4. The safety lock system ensures that the blender won't operate unless the pitcher is securely in place, making it safe to use. Cons. Number 1. Some users may find the blender to be quite loud, especially when blending at high speeds. Number 2. The Elechomes BFP 28 mount blender is quite heavy due to its powerful motor and multiple attachments, which may make it difficult to move around. Number 3. Some users may find the 1-year limited warranty included with the blender insufficient if they are seeking a longer warranty period. Number 4. Users have reported difficulty assembling the blender and attaching the different components, which may be frustrating, especially for those who are not mechanically inclined. Thanks for watching our video on the Elechomes BFP 28 mount. For more information, please visit to our website at www.bestoutofbest.com.